Thank you for joining this tutorial on addressing math anxiety. We started by understanding the roots of math anxiety, whether it's cognitive, environmental, or behavioral. Recognizing these signs, like avoidance, stress, or negative self-talk, helps us create strategies tailored to our students' needs. By normalizing students' feelings and fostering a growth mindset, you can create a classroom where effort and progress are valued over perfection. Encourage self-paced learning and celebrate small wins. Each small victory builds their confidence and belief in their abilities. We also explored how mindfulness techniques like deep breathing or positive visualization can help students manage their emotions and focus better during lessons or tests. Remember, as educators, we hold the power to transform the way students experience math. Every small victory they achieve in math is a step towards unlocking their full potential. Keep inspiring your students. Your belief in them can spark their success.